Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list for the 26th of October. Let's go ahead and look at some of the action in the last couple of days in the SPY. So we had the SPY on the 21st, moving up a little bit. As you see, this yellow line is the 5 EMA off of my daily chart into the close on Wednesday because Thursday was a holiday, so we had no trading on Thursday. The market sold off into the close. As you can see here, when the market opened up on Friday, the 23rd of November, we slowly drifted down. We stayed below the yellow line you see up here, the 5 EMA off my daily chart. We never could get above it on Friday, and basically we just drifted around for the session. Now, they did try to pop us up at the open, but all pops and all moves up right now are getting sold off. So a weekday, now we closed at 1 o'clock on Friday. It was a half a day. Monday, traders will probably still be having a travel day, but I would think most traders will be back at their desk on Tuesday. Let's go ahead and get into the watch list. First one on the list here, and I wanted to show you the Trade Exchange news box here. This news box is courtesy of the Trade Exchange. For Square, we had March 90 call activity, a 4,700 block, all right, on options here for Square. So Square SQ will be on watch for the week ahead and for tomorrow, Monday. Square on that call activity. Another name that had call activity was AXTA. That also had call activity. Let me move this news box so you can see the daily chart here. So here's AXTA. So we'll see if this one can get any action on the daily. And here's a Square. This name trying to hold above that $60 level right now, but still stuck below the 5 EMA. And also, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 days under the 200 SMA. So we need to get this one back over the 200 SMA on Square, which is around 65.07. So that 65 area is very important for Square. Currently, we're at 63.47. So, it may not do this Monday. Keep an eye on it for Square. There was that call activity in the name on SQ. Let's go ahead and check some of the other news that came out from the Trade Exchange. Over the weekend. We have Logitech International in talks to buy Plantronics, so LOGI, possible takeover of PLT. Plantronics, as you can see, it was popping up in the after hours on Friday. Some top insider purchases. EGLE and AAT had some insider purchase. AAT by the CEO on that name. Nuon introduces new Power Scribe 1 radiology reporting platform. So that was on NUAN. And let's see, we do have some activity going on in the Ukraine with Ukraine and with Russia. All right, so some news coming out there. And then some tweets out over the weekend from President Trump about Europe paying its fair share to NATO. So some activity there from President Trump over the weekend. Once again, this news box courtesy of the Trade Exchange. And let me get that out of the way. And let's go ahead and get into that watch list. Like we said, so we're looking at Square. And Apple, right? Let's take a look at Apple now. I'm watching, Apple is in a lot of different ETFs. It's in the SPY, it's in the Dow, it's in on the Qs. So I'm looking for maybe a possible bounce in Apple. Let's move to the weekly. We have the 100 SMA on Apple coming up. That's around that 169 spot. 169.26 is the 100 SMA. We're currently at 172. So I'll be keeping an eye on Apple for for possible bounce play. Now, it doesn't have to bounce. The market is kind of oversold right now on the markets. On the SPY, we had about 42, 43 million shares on Friday. It was half a day though, Friday. We are a bit oversold, but if these October lows break, we could be testing the February lows. But I am watching Apple to see if we can get a bounce in Apple sometime either Monday or next week. So Apple will be on my watch. ACRX will also be on watch. 2.3 million shares came into this name. It's up here trying to get above this 380 area. We've bounced from 275. We're up about $1 on this name, but it could pop if it can get up over that 380 area. ACRX, like I said, the volume was 2.3 million shares. AFMD has been slowly grinding up. Good relative strength in this name. Would like to see some more volume come in. Very sluggish on the volume. AFMD, we'll see. AMAT has been trying to turn the corner. If we do get good news from, China and President Trump, I believe the G20 meeting is coming up this week. MU, any kind of positive news, it looks like it's trying to put in a bottom here, so we'll see. We're trying to get up over that 5 EMA. You'll hear that a lot on this video. Stocks trying to get above the 5 EMA. That's the yellow dotted line you see right here. Unable to get above and hold above it on Friday. So, but that is one I'll be watching. Another name I'm watching is AMD. Now, we actually got a $1 trade in AMD on Friday. We called it in the service to get over $18.80. The stock moved up to $19.80. Gave us a real nice trade on Friday, so that one will be on watch. Another name that will be on watch is BILI, B-I-L-I. Did not trade this last week. They had earnings, but it is holding up pretty well here. BILI has that $15 area up ahead. The high on Friday on BILI was 1506, so watch that 1510 area on BILI for a possible intraday move. Any ANY will be on watch also. ANY, we traded this in the service a couple of times last week, so I'll be watching this name again this week. It's had relative strength on Friday. It's been holding up, so this name will be on watch. If it can get back over that $6 area on ANY, I'll see how it sets up on the intraday chart for entry on this name, ANY. Keep it on watch. See what else do I have? ARCI was popping up on Friday. 9 million shares came into ARCI. Strategic alternatives they're looking for, maybe to sell themselves out, and so they got a big pop here on Friday. It's an under $1 name right now. We'll see if there's anything left in the tank on that one. I'm looking at a couple of pot stocks for the week ahead and Monday. CGC will be on watch, holding up okay. TLRY, also another name in the pot space, holding up okay, trying to turn back up. CRON, another pot name, holding above the 20. And right now we have that $9 area up ahead on CRON, so that will be on watch. Another name that will be on watch is GOOS, Goose, actually holding up very strong in this market, GOOS, so that'll be on watch. For short side, IBM will be on watch. Looks like it's trying to break down here again. Also, another short idea might be 3M, trying to break down below this 20 SMA on 3M. Now, also keep an eye on TIVX, TVIX, if there's volatility in the market, or if you prefer UVXY, this should also be on your radar. For intraday trading only, okay? Do not hold these overnight. They're very dangerous instruments to hold overnight, but for intraday tradings, either UVXY or TIVX to play that market volatility. Another name we'll be watching is NBEV. trying to get above and hold above $4. We actually traded this one in the service on a Friday. Gave us a quick trade from about 405 up to 425. Another name, and this was an under $1 name. We actually played this on the entry of 55 cents, and the stock jumped up to 89. On Friday, we actually traded this TIS pre-market. It got up over that $1.95 area. We alerted it in the room. In the pre-market, it popped almost up to about 250, 245 area for TIS. This one had 15 million shares trading in the name on Friday. So this will be back on watch. TIS, like I said, it gave us a really nice trade Friday pre-market, so I'll be watching that again. Another name that I'll be watching is HOLX, HOLX, has been holding up okay. Has this $43 area come in up ahead, excuse me, on HOLX. So $43 in the way. Right now, the Friday high on this name was 42.78. So I'm looking, if you're looking to the long side for intraday plays, look for some relative strength, or look for some names like Apple that have been so beaten down that you're looking for a reversal play in them. NVIDIA has to be on your watch also. NVIDIA right now, the high on this candle right here, when it had that bounce back when Citron came out, the high was 154.26 and the low was 133.31, and Citron came out with favorable comments. Right now it's holding about the midpoint of that candle, so we'll see on NVIDIA, and it has that 150 number up ahead on NVIDIA. Once again, still below the 5 EMA, so keep this one on watch for your bounce possibilities there. Another name I'm watching is ONCS. Got 2.3 million shares, trying to turn the corner here. Has that $1 number up ahead. Maybe if it does that, it pops up, fills this gap on ONCS. I believe they have a release coming out this coming Friday, biotech name here. So keep an eye on this ONCS. Overstock OSTK was very strong on Friday. 6.3 million shares in this name, so that'll be on watch. Overstock.com. Another name, Seed, S-E-E-D, China name, holding up okay. Volume very light though on Friday, very, very, very light. 14,000 shares traded in it the whole day. Now the chart looks good, like it's setting up to get up over this 850 area, but like I said, I need to see some real volume come in there right now on Seed, so we'll see. SESN had nice volume, 1.7 million shares, has that $1.90, $1.94 area up ahead on SESN. So keep an eye on this one. Like I said, 1.7 million shares, could possibly make a move here. Another name that we'll be watching is TWLO. Now this name has been holding on the 100 SMA. We're holding above that $75 area, trying to get back over the 50 SMA. The chart, compared to a lot of other charts out there, has been holding up pretty well on TWLO. Now, intraday, it's a very tricky stock, can be spready, can give you a lot of fits and starts in this name, but if you catch it right with low shares, can make some nice moves in TWLO. So keep an eye on that one. ZIOP was very strong. ZIOP was popping up on Friday. 4 million shares came into this name. Potential pot stock here also. Also, with oil moving down so much, with oil selling off, keep an eye on the airlines. American Airlines, DAL, UAL have been gaining some strength here. SAV, JetBlue are all some airlines that you may want to keep on your watch. As oil is going lower, the airlines should gain momentum from that. Another one is EARS, EARS. 6.8 million shares came into EARS. It stalled out here around 81, 85 cent area on EARS, but keep that one on watch if you like those under $1 names. GNCN also popped up. Volume a little bit light on this one. It's an under $1 name, GNCA, but strong candle close here. Once again, an under $1 name. Let's see if I have anything else for you. CASI, CASI, has been holding up. Formed this bottom, trying to get up over the 50 SMA here. The high on Friday was 407. Watch that 410 area on CASI. Volume. Once again, a little bit light, but that was because we had half a day on Friday. So I'm giving it the benefit of the doubt. It is trying to get up over the 50 SMA, kind of flagging here. So keep an eye on that one. CASI. BABA looks interesting also, trying to get up over the 50 SMA. Looks like maybe the bottom is in, but I would like to see this one getting above the 50 SMA soon. And the 50 SMA is 151.25 for BABA, so keep an eye on that one. So Billy, BABA, some of those China names might want to make a move if we get some positive news between the United States and China on the trade wars. CRMD is holding up very nice above the 50 SMA, popped up on 3.6 million shares. The high on this name on Friday, 145. So keep an eye on that one. And then you have that 153 area up ahead. So CRMD, that one holding up pretty well. I think that's about it. I'll leave it with a couple of others. Neo might be interesting. Like I said, depends on what kind of news comes out on this G20 and between President Trump and China. Also, so Neo, I'll be watching for the next few days here. Cyber special, Black Friday special. If you're interested in checking out my service, kicking the tires, you could come if you're a new user for $19.95. Just use Black Friday 2018 as the coupon code after you click on this, and you could try us for your first month for the day trading, swing trading, everything included for $19.95 for the first month. All right, this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. Have a good day trading tomorrow. I'll be back with another video Monday night for Tuesday.